Hey, hey, what's going on? It's Sunshine.
And E.
All right.
How do everyone
All
in
right.
the YouTube world.
Hey, what's going on?
Thanks for coming back to
Yeah.
E Shine. We are doing some more music. Bruno Mars, Anderson Paak.
Anderson Paak.
I'm sorry.
It's a weird spelling.
Yeah. Anderson Paak, Love Train.
No train. And this is a cover song,
Cover song.
which means, somebody already did it and they came and they're going to do it. And, but sometimes it's a salute to that person that done it before. And the group was Confunction. And we're actually, I think what we're going to do is we're going to do Silk Sonic version or their feel to it, their cover of the song, and then we're going to go do the original Confunction. But this is...
Are you sure Confunction is the original?
Okay, Confunction is the one that I associate with it.
Okay.
That sound, with music, you never know. That song could have been, because, there's some songs that you would never know, like, wow, they weren't the original person singing that. So there's some truth to that. There's some truth to that. But
Before we get started,
we
want you to check out the links in the description. Click on them. I think you'll have some fun with it.
We're going to have to put some stuff down there, but we're going to get started with this. But before we do me a favor, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also share and comment below. So come on, let's go.
Soul Train dances.
Statement. Wow, those socks.
All night, can't sleep, too hurt, too weak, gotta call her up.
Love
Yes, the day of the skate ring and skating backwards off that song.
Yeah, those who listen to that song know that song of done some things to that song with a skating or just at a house party or something like that. Kind of brings back that kind of those memories. That was real smooth. A lot of good lyrics in it too. I did like a lot of good lyrics. But those guys, man, I really like their style. It seemed like they have a lot of fun doing those videos too. Now a lot of those videos seem like they were some videos from other songs they've done, but that Love Train. What we're gonna I think we're gonna do is listen to the original because that was one thing I was going because you're a dancer and I listened to a few people talk or interview a few people that were some Soul Train dancers, not the
Soul Train?
Yeah, Soul Train, actual Soul Train dancers that were not the ones that everybody knows. Oh, so and so was on so and so, but there was a real big thing for them dancers. It wasn't like they could grab some people, just go up there and dance. These people really had to go through some stuff. This was a serious deal with that. You didn't notice that because of how much fun they were having. Even the Soul Train line, it was just like you just get in line. There was people that you had to go through some stuff to be actually eligible to be on the Soul Train line. You just wasn't on it. You had to, really show some stuff. So it was
a regular. I remember that tall guy.
Okay.
I remember him.
I think that was the one they were interviewing. They was talking about some things, and there was an issue about money and people knowing this person. But it was, I guess anything like that gets to that level, there's going to be some backstabbing and some crazy stuff goes on, but there's a lot more involved in it than you see from the outside. I just thought there was a bunch of people like, hey, go out there and dance and have fun. And then we're going to put Soul Train like, but no, it wasn't that. It was a real big deal, they said, when it came to the dancers, man. So, but that was Silk Sonic, Love Train, a cover of one of Confunctions. So, I like that nice little mellow groove. That's really laid back groove. So, y'all let us know what you think about it. We're going to get out of here, but before we do, there's a couple things we want you to do. First off, I want you to go down the description. There's going to be we're going to put some links in there for some other things if you like this. Maybe you like some of the stuff, a little bit more personal, a little more stuff that we get involved into. And also, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, share, comment below, and I do believe that's it.
That's it. Thanks for listening to Sunshine and E.